Dear students, today we will learn some right and wrong drawing steps. Let's see how to make some easy things in easy ways. Sometimes we made it little difficult. So as like you can see, the left side shoe is the wrong way to make, but the same shoe if we made right side, this is the right pattern to make. Now let's see the another one. I'm making hairs. How to make it?
Not right. What is the right way?
Hairs में big curls हम कैसे डाल सकते हैं, कैसे उन्हें बनाना चाहिए? This is what I'm showing here. So यहाँ हमने एक वेव बनाकर इसके बिल्कुल पास से हम सेकंड वेव को क्रॉस कराएंगे. This is the way we will make curly wavy hairs. Okay? इसके टॉप एंड बॉटम साइड के पॉइंट्स पर हम शेडिंग देंगे. बीच वाला पार्ट हम थोड़ा सा ब्लैंक छोड़ेंगे. So this will show the shine in the hairs. So as you can see that this is the way we can create wavy hairs. The left one is the wrong one and the right one is the right pattern to make it. Whenever you are making such a stroke should be right and up to the mark. This is the way to make wavy curly hairs.
Okay. Right way to make a hair. Like this, है ना. फिर again अगर आपको बनाना है तो like this.
Now let's see the next one. Next one is a cloth, hanging cloth. Let's see how to make it. The way I'm making this is a wrong pattern. I'll show you how to make it in a right way. So now I'm making the cloth. This is the right way. Zigzag नहीं बनाकर हमें curves बनाने चाहिए. This will show better results. Now shade it. Corners will be lighter and जो पार्ट नीचे आ रहा है ऊपर वाले क्लोथ के वो पार्ट डार्क होगा. So you also practice this at your home and create your drawing tutorials. Stay safe, take care.